guys, we are going to film for you a 90s blowout supermodel kind of look. So come watch us, come follow us.
So we're going like for a classic big
90s,
bouncy,
yeah,
to the side,
yeah,
flick, sun.
Do you think my hair feels healthy? I've been
Oh
trying
my god,
to,
it's so lovely. Look at it.
I've been trying to like hair mask it, but it's so dry, like naturally dry.
It is naturally dry because it's curly, but it looks so much healthier than I've ever seen it.
Thanks.
Just do a little, you know, that's me products, not me lights.
What is this?
So that is, it's like it's a heat protector, and it also adds hold.
Ooh. Do I need it? No.
In your life?
Yeah. I mean, do you know what, babe? I'm not really a hairstylist. Like, I don't.
What we'll do is we'll go middle of the eyebrows here, go straight back, and that is where you get this section. But we want all the volume.
All the volume.
The concealer that I love to use is the Too Faced Born This Way. I'm using shade Nude. So I'm starting off with just concealing certain parts of my face, my under eye, centre of my forehead, nose, etc. and blending that in.
Pink curling, so that we've got, so we can keep the shape.
Now I'm going to go ahead and contour. I'm starting off with my nose, and now I'm going ahead and contouring my lips. I love a lip contour. Whenever I do a lip contour, people are like, oh my god, have you had your lips done? And I'm like, no, it's just the contour. And then going ahead and contouring my face, so my cheekbones, top of the head, and jaw to make me look...
For foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way. I love Born This Way. Concealer, foundation, it's so nice. Tell everyone what you're doing.
No. Gabs was just going over the pink curls with a colour. I'm now going over the cut crease with a bone colour, really opening the eyes. On the outer part of the eye, I'm going in with a slightly warmer colour. I've got like a pinky browny colour, and I'm literally just putting it on the outside and then blending it in towards the light. And now I'm just setting my face with some translucent powder, setting it under the cheekbones to give me that structured face, and then going on to my liner. I'm creating a serious wing here. It's all about the drama. Now I'm popping on my mascara. If you love fake lashes, go ahead and pop those on. I'm personally not gonna use any for this look. And then I am just going ahead and bronzing my face. I'm using the MAC Give Me Sun. I'm obsessed with that bronzer. I'm sorry. It's an oldie, it's a goldie, and I think it will forever be my most favourite bronzer. And then applying some Dior blusher onto the apples of my little cheeks. For lip liner, I went ahead and used a darker Inglot lip liner, and then used Peach Stock. Peach Stock is a lipstick from MAC. And now our Gabs is taking out the pink curls.
Which side is your side?
Whatever. I change it like 12 times a day.
Now Gabs is just literally setting the hair in the way that she wants it to be. As you can see, the hair is starting to take shape, and I absolutely love it. Gabs is now just brushing through the ends just to give it that real voluminous, luxurious look. And here you go, guys. We have the finished look. What do you think? This is probably one of my most favourite looks. This is a look that I love to do on my clients, a look that I love to do on myself. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions for me, guys, please just go ahead and ask. There we go, managed to get Gabs in the frame. I hope that you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you loads.